ano dadagdagan? I mean, pag dadagdag ako yung hindi nakita, like, lang, like, sa likod. Gusto ko dito, the word enough. Yes, of course, ayoko magkakiloid, no, bahala na lang talaga. Sa inyo na lang yan. Kayo na lang magkakiloid. Uy, full sleep, ayoko dito. Parang yung verb ng pasta na guys, parang ano. Hi, kakabalik mo lang ba dong? Kakabalik mo lang ba? May tattoo ka ba ba, Joy? May tattoo ka ba? Like, who among you here? Who among you here? May tattoo. I pray for someone like you. Ikaw? Patingin nga. Yes, Salar, may tattoo ako. I pray for someone. Oh, you're like you pray for someone like me, no? Okay, Noxy, send mo sa akin. Alam mo kasi one time, yung tattoo artist, send ka sa amin daw. Sabi niya, imo-model it for... Yes, Salar, may tattoo ako here. 1, 2. Like, I don't have a regret with the character of the tattoo. Only the placement. I don't like I kind of want to regret why did I put it there. Hi, Don. Yes, it's a gumamela flower. Ay, tuugit buang takot sa lumot ko. May tattoo ako guys, pero nasa lubot ko daw. Sabi ni Lilo, nasa lubot. Alam niyo ba yung lubot? It's my favorite flower. Actually, my first favorite flower is sunflower. Only that in TikTok, there's a lot of people who use that as their emoji already. So I have to move on to my next favorite flower, which is the hibiscus or the